excellent reports about the film. Andaru Venkatesh pere cheppare Venkatesh best ani. Ippudu adi prove ayindi. I feel Venkatesh is the most easiest person. They say it is a record in Venkatesh's career that I feel they are one of the best. And Nadia had given a previous hit in Pavan Kalyanji's film. It is appreciated by all age groups. Hi to India Glitz viewers. I hope you all enjoyed the movie Drishyam. So we are going to just have a small conversation about it. నేను నిన్న నైట్ లండన్ నుంచి వచ్చాను, బట్ ఐ హియర్ దట్ దెర్ ఆర్ ఎక్సలెంట్ రిపోర్ట్స్ అబౌట్ ద ఫిలిం. ఇట్ ఇస్ అ వెరీ న్యూ kind of a movie, and as always the Telugu audience have accepted it and they have appreciated a good film.
ముందు ఈరోజు ఏ సీన్ చూసారో చెప్పండి. బెడ్రూమ్ సీనా, బాత్రూమ్ సీనా?
కాదు, మేము రైట్స్ కొన్నప్పుడు మాకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళ దగ్గర అంతా అడిగాము ఎవరు చేసే బాగుంటుందని. తెలుగులో అందరూ వెంకటేష్ పేరే చెప్పారు. ఫ్యామిలీ సబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే వెంకటేష్ బెస్ట్ అని. ఇప్పుడు అది ప్రూవ్ అయింది. చాలా బాగా, నేను నిన్న పిక్చర్ థియేటర్లో చూసేప్పుడు so many scenes I had goosebumps and I had tears in my eyes. I wish, like me, everybody would wish that they have a father like Venkatesh.
నా ప్రాణాలను పెట్టైనా సరే మన కుటుంబాన్ని కాపాడతాను.
రిస్కా? నేను అది రిస్క్ డెఫినెట్. ఐ వాజ్ ష్యూర్ దట్ see, Telugu audience have accepted in those days a film called Shankarabharanam, which is a very classy film, and it had a hero like Somyajulu garu, who was not a regular hero kind of a person. So I was very confident that a good film will definitely do well here. I always say I have done with a lot of top actors, I have acted with a lot of top actors, but to direct, I feel Venkatesh is the most easiest person. And Meena, I have known her as a child. She has acted with me in movies which I have acted as a child artist. And Nadia also, I know her.
నాలుగో తరగతి చదివిన వాడి తెలివితేటలు.
In fact, I know her after working in this film, and I made a good friend out of her. And Naresh is like a brother to me. So it was like a family, and because I know all of them, it was much easy. They say it is a record in Venkatesh's career that a film has been done in 43 days. It's all because of my team and my artists. This is my 42nd year in the industry. I have done with a lot of top production houses, but their production designing and execution, I feel they are one of the best.
అసలు మీకు మా గురించి పట్టించుకునే తీరికే లేదు. 24 గంటలు ఆఫీస్లో కూర్చుని సినిమాలు చూస్తూ గడిపేయండి.
See, without all that, you cannot make a film so soon with stars. All of them are not new. They're all stars. They all carry, each one will have a mood usually, but they were all like beginners. They all were willing to do how many ever takes we asked, they were willing to do, and it was very easy, and their planning and execution is the best.
తిరోజు పండుగ రోజే సగదాలు తోడుంటే.
ఒక పిక్చర్ వీఆర్ ప్రొడ్యూసింగ్ అని అప్పుడే ఇదంతా మేము డైజెస్ట్ చేసుకుని వీ హ్యావ్ టు బీ రెడీ టు ఆన్సర్ ఆల్ దిస్. అండ్ ఎస్పెషలీ అందరూ చాలా ఈజీగా అడుగుతున్నారు, మీరు రీమేక్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, రీమేక్ అంటే ఎంత కష్టాన్ని చేసి చూస్తే తెలుస్తుంది. స్ట్రైట్ పిక్చర్ అంటే ఎవరు ఏం అడగరు. రీమేక్ అంటే అలా ఏం లేదు, ఎందుకు మార్చారు, ఎందుకు వాళ్ళు అన్ని సెక్షన్స్లో వాళ్ళు కంపేర్ చేస్తారు. యాక్టింగ్ వాళ్ళు బాగా చేస్తారా, వీళ్ళు బాగా చేస్తారా, డైరెక్షన్ మీరు వాళ్ళు బెటరా, వీళ్ళు బెటరా. సో ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, డిఫికల్టీ వచ్చి రీమేక్స్కి.
10th క్లాస్ ఫెయిల్ అయిన నువ్వు 4th క్లాస్ పాస్ అయిన నన్ను వెక్కిరించడం.
సో ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ఛాలెంజ్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ ట్రై టు డూ ద బెస్ట్. No, I have heard a lot of Sharat's music, and I feel he's a very sensible music director.
ప్రతి చినుకు తేనేలే బ్రతుకంత తీపేలే.
And we needed somebody who will do strong re-recording. This film is not a song-based film. It's more of a re-recording speaks a lot. So we wanted somebody who will do very well, and so I thought Sharath is a very good choice. In fact, Sharath was suggested by me. No, Asha Sharath. No, see, I wanted somebody more known to Telugu audience, and Nadia had given a previous hit in Pavan Kalyanji's film. So I thought, and even Suresh Garu felt that Nadia will have a different genre in this film. So we thought she'll do good, and like people really like the way she has done.
4వ తరగతి చదివిన వాడి తెలివితేటలు ఇలా ఉండవు.
See, I enjoy working in Hyderabad because it's a very shooting friendly place. You get permissions easily, people are very cooperative, and I like shooting in Hyderabad. So both my films I've shot here, and I look forward to do more. Definitely acting is easy because somebody writes your lines, somebody tells you what to do, and if you know how to pick it up, acting is easier.
అయినా సరే
Ekada? Anybody who will want to work with me, and if I like the subject, I'm looking forward to work. See, basically I'm an actor. So you leave me in a crowd with actors, I'm like a fish in the water. I get along very well. So I'm happy to work with anybody. I have no problem. I came just last night. I don't know whether people want me or what. Nothing I know. I just came. I was told the film is doing very well. I was constantly keeping in touch. And I'm very happy that, you know, something very new. And when a big hero like Venkatesh is acting, people will expect stunt scenes and romantic songs and all that. This picture doesn't have that. But still, it is appreciated by all age groups. So that's what makes me very happy. And I look forward to work. And I like my own pace. I don't want to do 5 films in a year and all. I like to do 1 film in a year and some time for my family. And I like traveling and all that. So I hope to do that. If the story is good, I have no problem because doing a straight subject is more easier. Mentally, nobody asks you about that. We are planning a release after this. See, actually I wanted a bigger film to come. That's why, you know, that little work I had also, we had just kept it in pending. So as I expected, this is a big film, definitely. So that we'll complete it, and maybe we are looking for a gap, you know. And surely, like Suresh Productions will guide us in the release of it.
Yes, it's time to end.
Okay, this is, I thank all the viewers of India Glitz who have seen this film. And people who have not seen it, please see it. It's a very good film. And I thank everyone who has supported this a new attempt from whatever we have done. And I personally thank even Jeetu Joseph, who has given us an excellent script, a universal script, which is going to be a hit in all the languages. We are also producing it in Tamil with Kamal Hassan as the hero, and Jeetu will be directing, the original director will be doing the Tamil. So as you loved the Telugu, you will definitely love the Tamil as well. So thank you for all your support.